Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build a cloud storage solution with Google Drive, complete guide step by step clearly. To build a cloud storage solution with Google Drive, start by ensuring you have a Google account. If you don't have one, visit the Google account creation page. Fill in the necessary details, including your name, email address, and password. Once your account is set up, sign in to Google Drive by going to drive.google.com. On the Google Drive homepage, familiarize yourself with the interface. In the top left corner, you'll see the plus new button. Click on it to create a new folder or upload files. To upload files, select File Upload from the drop-down menu. Choose the files you want to upload from your computer. You can also upload entire folders by selecting Folder Upload. Wait for the upload to complete, which may take a few moments depending on the file size. To organize your files, create folders by selecting Folder under the plus new button. Name the folder according to the content you plan to store. Drag and drop files into the folders for better organization. Share your files or folders by right-clicking on them and selecting Share. Enter the email addresses of the people you want to share with. Adjust the sharing settings, choosing between viewer or editor access. Click Send to share the files. To access Google Drive on your mobile device, download the Google Drive app from your App Store. Log in with your Google account to access your files on the go. Utilize the search bar at the top to quickly find specific documents or folders. To ensure your files are secure, enable two-factor authentication for your Google account. Review your storage quota under the settings to track how much space you're using. Consider upgrading to Google One if you need additional storage space. Explore collaboration features by commenting on documents in Google Docs, Sheets, or Slides. To back up your computer files, install the Google Drive Backup and Sync tool. This tool allows for automatic backup of selected folders to your Google Drive. Regularly check for updates to the Google Drive app to ensure optimal performance. With these steps, you will have a functional, organized cloud storage solution using Google Drive. Remember, staying organized is key to an efficient workflow in cloud storage. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.